Healthy eating for beginners. The first step to healthy eating is realizing that it's not about depriving yourself of all your favorite foods. Giving up processed foods is, without a doubt, one of the hardest challenges on the road to a healthy diet. How to make healthy eating work for you. Food is one of the many pieces of the puzzle in your daily life. From misconceptions like equating healthy eating with bland food and unrealistic fitness goals to conflicting nutrition research and unsustainable fad diets, there are many factors that make it seem like healthy eating is hard. With an endless supply of trendy diets and conflicting nutritional advice, it can be hard to figure out exactly what healthy eating means. Diet variety. Another component of a healthy diet is food variety, which means eating a variety of foods. A balanced diet includes foods rich in micronutrients, low in fat, and low in sugar. Whole foods contain more micronutrients than any artificial pill. Micronutrients are calorie-free vitamins and minerals that we also need in small amounts to keep our bodies healthy, just like you might find in a typical multivitamin. As a general rule, try to eat mostly nutrient-dense foods such as protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. To start eating right, include more fruits and vegetables in your diet, which will increase your intake of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables every day. It is recommended to eat at least 5 servings of various fruits and vegetables. To create a healthy eating plan, you need fruits, vegetables, proteins, grain, and limit your intake of highly processed foods or foods high in saturated fat. Eating healthy also means limiting your intake of processed foods, such as refined grains or cured meats. Instead, try to prioritize nutrient-dense whole foods like vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, and fish, while reserving highly processed foods and beverages as specialty foods. A healthy diet should consist primarily of whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and protein sources such as eggs and fish. Knowing portion sizes can also help you plan a healthy meal that consists of half fruits and vegetables, 1/4 protein-rich foods, and 1/4 whole grains. Eating right gives you control over your food. If you want to improve the quality of your diet, focus on the nutrients in your food, not the calories. A healthy diet should help you achieve optimal physical and mental health. Proper nutrition is an important part of a healthy lifestyle and can help prevent diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. Healthy foods contain important antioxidants and nutrients that we need to keep our brain and nervous system healthy. Fruits will make you feel good when you work out, as well as keep your heart healthy, have low cholesterol, and have stable blood sugar levels. You can enjoy your favorite foods, even if they're high in calories, fat, or sugar. The key is to eat them occasionally and pair them with healthier foods and more physical activity. If you tend to eat a high-carb diet, simply adding protein and healthy fats to your meals can really help you feel full after a meal, which can also determine what you want to eat next and when eat. For each meal, just put half of your plate on healthy carbohydrates and vegetables, 1/4 on protein, and the other half on healthy fats. There are plenty of healthy fats that can be a great addition to any balanced diet. A healthy diet includes reasonable proportions of protein, carbohydrates, and fat, as well as enough water to stay hydrated. Probiotic foods like yogurt, apple cider vinegar, and soft cheeses are also good for your gut. When you dine at a restaurant or buy fast food, cooking oils and sauces often contain hidden calories that can sabotage your health efforts. A great way to cut back on the unhealthy foods you are obsessed with is to keep them away from your home, work, or place where you spend a lot of time. You need to develop some simple strategies for creating and maintaining healthy eating habits without much effort or thought, especially when it comes to living a healthy lifestyle.